Welcome you all, class 9th students. Today we will do revision of the poem The Wind. The poet of this poem is Subramanya Bharati. The poem Wind by Subramanya Bharati is originally in Tamil. It was translated in English by A.K. Ramanujan. The poem describes the power of the wind on nature and human life. It focuses on the violent aspect of the wind that causes heavy destruction. The poet tells us that the wind makes fun of the weak people and things but favors the strong. He therefore suggests the reader be strong both physically and mentally. The wind here is the symbol of hardships and obstacles which human beings have to face in their life. If we remain strong, we can overcome any obstacle. Yes, I am telling you summary. The poet requests the wind to blow gently. He asks the wind not to break the shutters of the windows, scatter the papers and throw down the books from the shelf. But the wind does not listen to him and turns violent and destructive. It throws down everything and tears the pages of the books. The poet accuses the wind of bringing rain once again. He tells the wind that it always makes fun of weak people and things. It crumbles down weak houses, weak doors, and weak rafters. It tears down weak bodies and fragile hearts, but does no harm to the strong. The poet says that it is up to the wind, God, whether it brings destruction or shows mercy on humanity. The poet suggests the reader that to make friends with the wind, we need to build strong homes with firm doors. He also suggests people be strong both physically and mentally to combat and resist the ill effects of the wind. The last four lines of the poem tell us about the nature of the wind. It blows out those fires which burn with a weak force, but the strong fires turn stronger by the wind. It means the wind is supportive of those who are already strong and powerful, but crushes the weak. A very significant message is hidden in these four. Strong people are not affected by adversities, but the weak do. So it is good to be a friend of the wind, which is a symbol of hardships and obstacles, because only then we will be able to face tough times. Yes, now we will discuss literary devices used in the poem Wind. Metaphor. It is a figure of speech in which a word or phrase is applied to an object or action to which it is not literally applicable in the poem. Wind is a metaphor as it symbolizes challenges that humans face in their lives. Personification. It is the attribution of human characters to animals and non-living things, and in this poem personification is used. He also calls wind as wind god. Repetitions. There are some words which are repeated here as crumbling several times. Alliteration. Occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected word, as for example crumbling houses, crumbling door, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind god Vinoys, he wouldn't do what to tell me. Symbolism. Use of symbols to represent ideas or qualities. Wind symbolizes challenges and problems. Weak fire symbolizes people with weak willpower, and strong fire symbolizes people with power and firm. So students, I think you are able to understand the poem. Here is, we will discuss some MCQ. What should the people do to save their lives? Use good cement, build strong homes, close the doors firmly. Yes, answer is build strong homes and close the doors firmly. Question number 2. How can we be friends with the wind? By building strong homes, having strong body, having a strong heart, all. Answer is all. Which figure of speech has been used in the poem? Alliteration, anaphora, and metaphoric personification, or all? Answer is anaphora and metaphoric. What is the moral of the poem? Be firm and strong and never be defeated by any obstacle. Pray to the wind, don't be weak, request the wind. For A, be firm and strong and never be defeated by any obstacle. What does the word prosper mean in the poem? Keep going, flourish, keep moving, proper. Answer is flourish. Question number 7. Who are affected by the wind? Weak, strong, people, things. Yes, weak. What is winnowing called? Cleaning process, sorting process, barsana, none. Sorting process. Who broke the doors of the window? Children, boy, naughty boy, wind. Yes, wind. So students, I think you are able to understand the poem. Thank you, students.